everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be learning how to make chains. What we will need will be a ball of yarn and a crochet needle, and let's get started. So to make a chain, we're gonna have to start with the slip knot. So if you're wondering what a slip knot is, I already have a video before. You can go there and check it out. You're more than welcome to do so. And that's how we're gonna start our chain. So I'm just gonna go through the slip knot really quickly in here. I'm just gonna hold it on my finger, go around, go over, and out. And there we have a slip knot. So to start with the chain, we're gonna put the needle through the slip knot, pull the end of the yarn to tighten the yarn in our needle. And we're gonna hold the yarn now to start our chains. So the way I hold it, I just put it in between my fingers like that and tighten up. And then I hold the end of the yarn here with these two fingers. Alright, this is my way to do it. You find the way you're more comfortable with for you to crochet. So we're gonna start the chain. So to make our first chain, I'm gonna be holding here, we're gonna go with the needle under the yarn, and we're gonna pull this yarn, inside that loop that we had in our needle. So that's the first chain. We're gonna go again, so we're gonna go under the yarn, we're gonna pull through the loop that was in our needle, 2 chains. We're gonna go under the yarn, pull through, under the yarn, pull through, under the yarn, pull through. So this is a set of chains. So again, we start with the slip knot, and then we'll go through the loops and making chains. So this is how you make chains, and this is how most of your work, crochet work, usually starts, with a certain amount of chains. Thank you very much everyone for watching this video of how to make chains. I hope it helped you. And if you have any comments, you can just leave it here. Any doubts, I'll be more than happy to help you with it. Alright, thank you very much for coming back to my channel, and I'll see you soon.